Rolex is one of the most recognized luxury brands on the planet. But many people still ask, why are Rolex watches so expensive? Today, we're breaking down the real reasons behind the price: craftsmanship, materials, innovation, brand power, and more. By the end, you'll understand what goes into every single Rolex on someone's wrist. Most watch brands outsource parts. Rolex does almost everything themselves. They manufacture their own movements, cases, bracelets, dials, even their own gold and their own proprietary steel alloy. Everything is inspected repeatedly, sometimes by machines, sometimes by humans. This obsessive in-house approach is one of the biggest reasons for the high price. Rolex develops materials that no other company uses at scale. They even run their own foundry, melting metals on site to guarantee purity and durability. Few brands on Earth go that far. Premium materials equals premium cost. Inside each Rolex is a mechanical movement made of tiny, perfectly engineered parts. Creating these takes enormous skill. Movements are assembled by hand, individually tested, adjusted to meet strict accuracy requirements. A Rolex must meet or exceed the industry's COSC certification, and then it goes through Rolex's own, even tougher internal tests. That level of precision costs money. Before a Rolex reaches a customer, it goes through brutal testing, like shock tests, water pressure tests, drop tests, saltwater corrosion tests, temperature extreme tests, tens of thousands of simulated wrist movements. This ensures each watch lasts decades, sometimes generations. High manufacturing standards mean higher production costs. Many people don't know this. A Rolex can take up to a year to produce from start to finish. That includes metal forging, movement assembly, polishing, quality checks, waterproofing tests, final certifications. Rolex produces a lot of watches each year, but not nearly enough to meet global demand. Rolex has spent over a century building its reputation through iconic designs, sports sponsorships, deep ties to exploration and science, associations with successful leaders, athletes, and innovators. Demand consistently exceeds supply. When demand is higher than production, prices rise, both at retailers and on the secondary market. This is basic economics, but very powerful in the luxury world. Unlike most consumer products, a Rolex often increases in value over time. They're extremely durable, highly collectible, easy to service, backed by decades of consistent branding. People don't just buy them to wear, they buy them as assets. A strong resale value is built into the price. For many buyers, a Rolex represents achievement, status, reliability, craftsmanship, heritage. You're not just buying a timepiece, you're buying history, engineering, and a symbol recognized worldwide. In conclusion, the high price of a Rolex is a testament to its unparalleled craftsmanship, exclusive materials, rigorous testing, and enduring brand legacy. It's an investment in precision, durability, and a symbol of timeless excellence.